Students, so today we are continuing with the maths, okay, and we are continuing with the part of mensuration, and here we will deal with the surface area and volume of the solids. Solids means we will deal with the surface area and volume of cube and cuboids only, okay. So before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you the formulas regarding that, okay. So first of all, we are dealing with the cuboid. Cuboid is such this type of figure where means you can tell that we are having length, breadth and height, okay. It is a three-dimensional figure. No, so when you need to, or whenever it is asked you to find the surface area, volume and whatever, so just you need to do that whenever you need to find the surface area, okay. So for the formula for the surface area, that is equal to 2 into length plus length breadth plus breadth height plus length height, okay. So this is the formula for finding the surface area. Means we write that this particular will be the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Breadth and width both are same thing, okay. Further you can take breadth as width also, so no problem regarding that also. In some of the question it might be given that the width of this particular cuboid is this much, so that is breadth given, okay. So lateral surface area, whenever you are finding the lateral surface area, so the formula for lateral surface area will be 2 into length plus breadth into height. Volume, length into breadth into height, length of the diagonal. So whenever we are finding the length of the diagonal, so that will be root over L square plus B square plus H square, that is the length of the diagonal, okay. So these were the formula for the cuboid. Now we are coming to cube. In cube means the figure is in this particular way, okay. All the sides are equal, length is also equal, length equals to A, breadth equals to A, height equals to A, all the things are A over here. So whenever we are finding the means surface area of cube, so we write that 6a square, lateral surface area 4a square, volume a cube, okay, and length of the diagonal, that is equal to root over 3a square. So these are the formulas. So using this formula, we are coming to the exercise question. So coming to the first question of the exercise, in this particular question it is given that find the surface area and volume of the cube whose one of the edge is 7 centimeter. First of all, we need to find the surface area of the and the volume of the cube, okay. Cube is this type of figure, I already explained about that, where all the sides are equal, length, okay, A, this is also A, and this particular height is also A. So all the sides are this much given. So here it is given that the side is of the side of the edges are 7. So A equals to 7 it is given. So whenever we are finding the surface area, okay, area of cube. So surface area of the cube equals 6a square, okay. 6 into 7 square, 6 into 49. Then we will have that 294 square units or square centimeter, okay. Further you can write centimeter square, whatever is the unit given in that particular order. So volume we are talking, okay. So volume, that is equals to 8 to the power 3, that is equals to 7 to the power 3. So we will deal with this, then 343 it will come, okay. This is cube, okay, centimeter cube. So in this order you need to solve the question. This was the question number first. So coming to the next question, question number 2. Here it is given that find the surface area and volume of a rectangular solid. By measure it is given that 5 meter by 4 meter by 3 meter. So length and breadth and height, all the things are given. So we need to make this figure like this, okay. This side is given 5, this side is given 4, okay. Or not this particular side is given 3 and this is given 4, okay. So in this order it is given, the dimension of the figure it is given. So now what we have to do, length, breadth and height, or we can take that a length equals to, it is not mentioned, then we can take length equal to 5, breadth equals to 4, height equals to 3, okay. Let's take this as a means a given data over here. This much, all the things are given in meter form, okay. So question number 2 we are dealing over here, okay. Here we need to find that surface area, okay. Surface area of the, so this rectangular figure means this is a cuboid. So surface area, okay. Formula for the surface area, 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. So this was the formula for this. So here length, what is length? 5 into length of, you can write that 5 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 3. Clear with this? So we have mentioned that all the things, and we means put the values over here. Okay, in this particular program we are putting the value. So 2, again here it will be what? 20 plus 12 plus 15. Okay, so 2 into how much? 20 plus 15, this is will be 35. 35 plus 12, okay, that will be equal to 47. So when we will multiply this with 2, okay, 47 is multiplied with 2, so we can write that 94. Okay, 94 meter square. This particular is the solution of this question. So now we are finding the volume of this. Okay, surface area we have got 94 meter square. Now we are finding the volume. Volume of this figure, volume equals to what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, no problem with this. Length into breadth into height. 5 is multiplied with 4 is multiplied with 3. All in meter, then meter cube we can write. Further, when we are finding the value, 20 into 3 is 60. 60 meter cube. So this particular is the value. Now we need to find the diagonal length. Okay, diagonal of this particular figure. So formula for the diagonal, root over b square plus root over l square plus b square plus h square. So what is l? L equals to 5. Okay, then we can write that 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. Okay, so root over 5, 25 plus 16 plus 9, so root over 50. Okay, root over 50. So root over 50 we can write that it like this also, means 2 into 5 into 5 or 2 25. So further it will be 25, then we can take that from this pair, that 5 root over 2. So this much means the length of the diagonal we are calculating. So this will be the length in meter. Okay, so this particular is the solution, and in this order we need to solve the questions. So now we are coming to question number 3. In this particular question, it is given that the length and breadth of a rectangular solid, that is given 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Here what is the thing? Here it is given the length and breadth. Okay, so this is the rectangular solid, and the length and the breadth it is given. Length it is given suppose 25, and breadth it is given 20. Okay, all are given in centimeter form. Okay, so you can write that question number 3, length equals to 25 centimeter and breadth equals to 20 centimeter. So here what we have to find over here means, and volume it is given. Okay, the volume of this particular figure, volume equals to 7, it is given over here. Okay, this per centimeter cube. So we need to find the height. Okay, height it is not given, so height equals to question mark. So we know that the volume, okay, volume equals to what? Length into breadth into height. This is the formula for finding the volume. So now what we are doing, length, what is length? 25 is multiplied with 20 is multiplied with height. Okay, this is how much? Centimeter cube equals to centimeter cube. Okay, so just we means we are having the value of these things. Okay, so removing these units right now. Okay, later on we will put the units. So now what we need to do, we need to calculate this. Okay, so we are calculating for h, 7,000 divided by 25 into 20. 2 we will divide then 350. 350 we will divide then 14. Okay, so height equals to 14 centimeter. So I have solved these first 3 questions. Okay, of this particular exercise. So you all complete up to question number 10. All are the means all questions are easy in this particular order only. You have to calculate that, find the value, and do not forget to put the unit. Okay, whatever the unit it is given, means put that particular only unit. Okay, further if it comes in any point, means 0.45 meter, then you can convert in centimeter that. Okay, so in this order you have to complete this exercise up to question number 10, and in our next video we will continue with the question number 11 to 20. Thank you.